Part D, explain 3 problems that could be encountered when using a computerized accounting software. Problems that could be encountered when using a computerized accounting software. The first problem is technical issues. The second problem is data integrity and security. Then the third one is learning curve and training. Learning curve and training. Technical issues. Technical issues. Computerized accounting software relies on technology infrastructure, and technical problems can arise, such as software glitches, such as e.g. software glitches. We may have crashes, system crashes. The system may crash. There could also be compatibility issues. Compatibility issues. So these are some of the technical issues that one may encounter when using a computerized accounting software. We are talking of compatibility. This is compatibility issues to do with compatibility with other systems or other software, or even troubleshooting. Problems with troubleshooting to resolve issues. So that's the first problem that one can encounter when using a computerized accounting software. Data integrity, number 2. Data integrity and security. Data integrity and security. Computerized accounting software manages what we call sensitive financial data. We are talking about accounting. Accounting has to do with finances or financials. So a computerized accounting system manages sensitive financial data, and maintaining data integrity and security is crucial. And problems can occur if there are no data entry errors. Right? If there are data entry errors, then problems can occur. If we have data corruption, then problems could also occur, or even problems to do with unauthorized access to the system. And therefore, adequate data backup, adequate access controls, and security measures should be implemented to mitigate such risks. Data integrity and security. 3. Learning curve and training. Learning curve and training. Candidates transitioning to computerized accounting software may require employees to acquire new skills and to adapt to new processes. And some users may encounter challenges in learning the software functionalities, or even struggle with understanding complex accounting concepts in a digital environment. So adequate training and support are essential to ensure effective use of the software and minimize user errors. So candidates, these are some of the problems. They are not the only problems. There are many problems, but all in all, it is important for organization to be aware of these potential problems and take appropriate measures such as regular software updates, data backup procedures, training programs, in order to address and mitigate any issues that may arise when using computerized accounting software. So these are 3 problems, 6 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks total, 6 marks, 6 marks. So thank you for attending the lesson. We've answered question 1, December 2022. In our next session, we are going to answer question number 2. Bye-bye.